In today's video, I'm going to teach you, finally, the official Shopify store credit is out. We'll walk through where to enable it in your admin and how to quickly surface the key reports so you can track credits that are issued, spent, and expired. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the Home dashboard, head down to Settings. Inside Settings, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Credit. In the results, open the Store Credit area within Customer Accounts. This is where the feature lives. If you see sections collapsed, expand them to view all options. Now, look for the setting that allows customers to see and spend store credit and select it to turn it on. This makes the balance visible in customer accounts and available at checkout, which is essential if you're planning to issue credit for returns or goodwill. Next, use the global search at the top of your admin and type Store Credit. From the results, open Store Credit Transactions. This report shows activity over time, including what's been added and what's been used. In the visualization controls, switch the metric to Debited Store Credit to focus on what customers have spent. Then switch to Expired Store Credit to see any value that timed out. If you test different visualizations and notice an Unsaved Changes banner, feel free to select Discard to revert to the default view. Handy when you're just exploring. Use the search bar again and look for Store Credit. From the Analytics options, choose the Outstanding Store Credit Balance report. This report pulls from store credit summaries and transactions and is perfect for answering how much credit is currently outstanding. By default, you'll see a time series with the ending store credit balance as a line chart. That line is a quick pulse check on your liability over the selected time range. If your view offers visualization or metric highlights, adjust them to spotlight the ending balance and confirm your selection. You can always reset if you change your mind. A couple of quick tips as you go. Use the admin search liberally. Typing Store Credit is the fastest way to jump between settings and reports. When enabling customer-facing features, double-check that your customer accounts are active so shoppers can actually see their credit. And when reviewing reports, keep an eye on debited versus expired values. Together, they tell you how much credit converts into sales and how much slips away. That's it. Enable the setting, review transactions,